Hey y'all, it's Mary and welcome to my channel. I have a couple of things for you today. I want to start off by showing you what I'm wearing on my face. I am wearing this lip liner. It is the Doll 10 Lip Genius. I did wear this not too long ago. When you use this cap, it sharpens the pencil, so it's constantly sharpened. And I don't know if it has, I think it has a color name. Lip Genius Lip Liner, it says. I think it says Lip Goals, so I think the color is Lip Goals, G-O-A-L-S. So I like that lip liner, and I used it with the Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is gorgeous, and it is in lychee, and it's the satin lipstick. It's just gorgeous, gorgeous. And when I put this cap back on, I stuck it right in the lipstick in the bullet, but it's gorgeous. I love it. And then on my eyes, I am wearing this beautiful palette that I received from Makeup with Pia W. I'll have Pia below. If you don't know her, please go see her. She does gorgeous makeup. She sent this to me, and I really don't know much about it. It says up here W7, and it says Eyes of London. And then it says that it's funny because she's around the world, but this says that it was made in New York. Well, distributed in New York, but it's a beautiful palette, and I really have been enjoying it. It is all shimmers, and they're nice neutrals, beautiful shimmers. So that's what I'm wearing on my eyes, along with, I just got this and I'm liking it. This is from Temu. It's a gel eye pencil, and it is Dragon Renee Cosmetics is the name, and creamy, pigmented, long-lasting, waterproof, and it is waterproof. It says number 2 here. When I ordered it, it was called Coffee, but I don't see that anywhere on here. But it's definitely a coffee. See, and see how nicely that went on. It's very nice. And when I'll sharpen it, you know, with a sharpener, when it's a plastic case, but I will sharpen that. So yeah, it's nice. It's working well. So I have a couple of things to show you. I did not know how to do, or I like to be in control of things. So I don't like automatic things. But I was listening to Katie's Corner of the World on one of her lives a while back, and she was talking about the subscribe and save on Amazon. And of course I see that, but when you go to buy something, if it's something that you regularly buy, you can auto or subscribe and save, and then it will auto ship to you every so often. You designate how often. And I don't know. I just never have done it, and I don't know why, because on cat food, I need cat food regularly. My boys have to, well, Smudge has to have special food, so he has dry food, and then he has canned food. That's part of his regimen, is he has to have some canned food because he needs the wet food. So they all eat it, of course. So I need it all the time. And I have to go to Walmart or wherever, you know, it's expensive because canned cat food has really gone up. So I started doing the subscribe and save because of Katie. So thank you so much, Katie. I'll put Katie below if you don't know her, which I'm sure you know these ladies, but if you don't, please go see them because you'll enjoy them. You'll enjoy their channels. So I just want to show you that I get this one. This is the seafood, and then I also get another one that has chicken and beef in it. So there's 30 cans each, so I have this sent to me every 2 months. This is the first time it's happened. It actually worked. They sent me an email stating that they were going to send it. And so if it's not a good time for you, you can put it on a pause. You can change the date, whatever you need to do. And it came just at the right time. So I just think I used my last can today, and I got this a couple of days ago, the 2 boxes. So I'm very happy the way it worked, and then it automatically charged my card and everything. So yay for the subscribe and save. I'll have to check out and see maybe some other things that I get. Maybe I should do that with. And Bath and Body Works. they are forever having sales. They had a big, huge sale. They have a big, huge sale. When is it? Like right after Christmas, maybe? Maybe it's January, maybe the beginning of January. And then I think they have another big giant one in June-ish. But then they have sales all the time. So I looked at it when they had the big sale, and I almost bought some things. I'm like, yeah, I don't need anything, because I don't need anything. I really love their hand soap, you know, the pumped hand soap. I put it in my bathroom, I put it in my kitchen. I like them very much. And I like to get different scents and that kind of thing. And I didn't get any. I have some in my cabinets, but I thought, you know, I kept getting emails from them, and I got a big giant coupon that was a good coupon. So I'm like, let me go look, and I bought some. So the package comes and it says, "Hooray Delivery Day." And then inside, I'm sure y'all have seen the inside of the Bath & Body Works box. So all I got, it smells so good just opening that. All I got were hand soaps, and let's see, I got 6 of them. I got 6 of them because I think it was a buy 6 something or other, you know, buy 5. It wasn't buy 5, get 1 free. I don't think they do that, but they do like a buy 6 and you get a lesser price. So if you buy 5, you pay full price like that. You've got to be careful what's in your cart. So pay attention to that. So let's see what I got. Some of these are scents that I have never had before, and they're all different packaging than I've received before. Oh, this one's broken. Well, I'm sure I have another pump that I could use. In fact, you know, this one's the same. So I don't know how it got broken. It's plenty. There's oh, this is, well, maybe because this is broken. They have stuff in there. Not sure how that happened, but it smells so good. Nothing has leaked, so that's good. This one, I just got it because I thought it was pretty. It says Moonflower Petals. I've never had it before, but it's just so pretty. It's green. And it's the foam. This is the foaming kind. I like both. I like the foaming and I like the regular. I think I got all foaming this time, not on purpose, but yeah, I got all the foaming this time. It's beautiful packaging. So darn it that's broken. But like I said, I can use this one first and then use that one. This one is Sweet Apple. So that's very pretty, you know. And then I probably have others that have a similar. You could use any color. It doesn't have to be gold. And then I got this one, White Tea and Sage. I've had this before. Actually, this White Tea and Sage, I've had a candle in this, and it's really, really nice. It's very clean. It's like you're in a spa. So this is really good, you know, for the bathroom. And then this one I just thought was so pretty. The packaging. So, you know, they're all flat plastic, but this one has a pressed pattern in it. See the flowers? And this one is Strawberry Pound Cake. Thought that would be nice to bring a thought of spring into my kitchen. I could use it. I think we all could use that right now. And then this one, I'm like, well, let's just try it. Coastal Watermelon. This one's in you can't see in it at all. I do like the ones that I can see in. Even this one, even though it's sort of opaque, you can still see inside, so you can see where you're at with your level. This one you can't. And yeah, these are all foaming. Coastal Watermelon. Let's see. Let's see what that smells like. It does. It smells like watermelon. It smells tropical. It's not like just plain old watermelon. It's a nice tropical with watermelon's the top note is what it smells like to me. And then the last one I got is Cozy Vanilla Almond. I just got that because I love the name. Cozy Vanilla Almond. To me, that sounds perfect for the kitchen. Let's smell that one real quick. I'm not going to smell all of them because that'll take too long. They're nice and tight and all, which is good. They didn't leak. Oh, that smells good. It does. It smells like vanilla almond. I like that. Very nice. And so that one's gray. So that's what I got from Bath & Body Works. Not a big deal, but they are normally, I think, $7.99. Some of these were $8. I know from my receipt, it shows you the regular price. One of them was $8.99. The others were $7.99, but I got them for like $3 because of the sale. And I had a coupon, so anyway. Okay, Camille. And now, last but not least, I got this from QVC. Y'all, if you're not familiar with QVC, I live in the boonies. I live where there's not a lot of shopping available. So I moved here with a lot of things because I was already an adult and had all my stuff. So I brought my kitchenware and my housewares and all that kind of stuff. And I have had Tupperware, the real brand name Tupperware, since my mid-20s, because when I got my own apartment, then Tupperware, went to Tupperware parties. Those kinds of parties were really big back in my day. I know they're not that big anymore, although there are some going on now, but there for a while. They do a lot of, these kinds of places do online partying, so that you're not around each other to get COVID or whatever. So I got, my Tupperware is old, but I gotta say, Tupperware is expensive, but it will last forever, pretty much. I have a lot, and I have since bought others. I've got way more than one person needs, but I have containers like for microwaving and things like that, and then I have storage containers and all kinds of bins, and I have some containers that hold your flour and your sugar, that kind of stuff, and I love them. But I wanted some new containers for like the everyday leftover kind of stuff, and if you make soup and you want to put it in a big container, that kind of stuff. I'm still going to keep my canister set. I love my butter dish because it locks and keeps the butter fresh, that kind of thing. But I am going to go through my Tupperware cabinet and move some out, because the tops of them have gotten, I've even had to have some replaced, because they'll replace it for you for free if they break. But they get scratched up and stuff, and I'm just sort of over it. So this set was $29.98, $5.50 shipping. QVC, I was talking to you about that. QVC is a online shopping. I'm sure everybody has heard of it. There's also HSN, and they're sister companies. I don't think they were when they first started out, but somewhere along the line they bought each other or something. But they're online shopping, and they have daily deals. So you can look on their app, you can look on their website, you can get emails from them with their daily deals. And they had one day this lock and lock, L-O-C-K, the letter N, and then L-O-C-K, lock in lock. And I am a senior. I'm 62 years old, and I've been having more and more trouble opening and closing Tupperware. Tupperware has a great seal to it. So I'm not trying to put them down at all. But when your hands get to where they don't work as well as they used to, this is fantastic. This is a 16-piece set. I'm just showing you 3 pieces. A 16-piece set. So there's different sizes. Whoops. This is the biggest, and I think there's 2 that are this big. And this came in, I don't know, a dozen or 15 different colors. You could get clear. You could get yellow and pink and burgundy. I mean, there were all kinds of beautiful colors. I just happened to choose this. This doesn't match my kitchen at all. I just love this color, so I chose it. So what I love about these, I've watched them on QVC for a long time. I've seen them on Pinterest. I've seen them in a lot of different places. Lock and Lock representative was there and even said that they couldn't do prices as good as this, because $29.98 for 16 pieces. So here is, typical size. It would, I just stuffed it in my lipstick, sorry. Maybe hold a sandwich, and maybe, a sandwich and a cut up apple or something would be perfect for. How this works, it locks in place. It's so easy for someone with arthritis or a child to use, because Tupperware just can be difficult to do. So what it looks like is it has these slots in it, because here is what the container looks like. It has these little bars, if you will, that stick out. So there is a seal all the way around. So when you put this on, it locks the air out. So you put this on, and then you lock it in place. See? So it fits, those holes fit over the bars, and you hear it. If you have it lined properly, it locks in place. And now you have an airtight seal. So your sandwich or your leftovers or whatever you have in there are just fine. And like the round one, it has these 4 tabs. And again, they all have a seal going all around, so that's airtight. So this can hold quite a bit. This can hold some pudding or like a cut up apple or something like that. If you put it on wrong, it's not going to work. You know, you have to get it over the little bars that are sticking out. So line it up and then snap it into place, and you've got your airtight seal. It's not going to spill. So I just thought these are so cool, and I've been seeing them for years and years and years, but I have my Tupperware. I don't need this. So I thought, you know, spring cleaning kind of thing, new kind of thing. I just was like, I need a little perk me up. So I thought for $29.98 and $5.50 shipping, I'm going to get them. So I really like the set. There I think there's 2 of each, basically. There's 2 smaller ones in this, and then there's different sizes, but it's a nice selection and will, be perfect for me. And like I said, it came in many colors. You can probably still get it. It won't be at that price because that was a daily special price. So, but if it's something that you're interested in, keep a watch on it, because they have it. There's daily specials. They have different companies will come around a couple times a year with specials. So that is what I have for you today, y'all. So I wanted to just show you some of the things I've gotten recently. And thanks for stopping by, y'all, and count your blessings and have a wonderful weekend. Bye-bye.